I'm going to show you how to install a kitchen sink in a laminate countertop. Now I've already got the sink cut out. I used the template and cut it out and dry fit it, and then found where my faucet's going to go and drilled that. My camera just fell. And here's a step that a lot of people don't do. A countertop guy taught me this and I really like it. What he does is he puts silicone on the inside of the cut, because any little bit of water, that stuff is going to soak it up like a sponge. And how many faucets I've tried to repair in the past where the countertop is just gone. Essentially, it's moldy, and this is going to help stop that. Now, I also put a little bit in where the faucet is too. If you have a chance, it's good to let it dry before you put the sink in. Now, I never have that chance personally, but I always have to do it while it's wet. Here's another tip I found, I figured too, is when you're putting on these mounting brackets, use a cordless drill and just back them right off. It makes everything so much faster. So I'll pop the sink in, and here's one more thing I'm going to do is put a bead, just a small bead, around the outside. Again, just to help if any water gets around the sink, it's not going to hit that cut laminate. Because again, that cut laminate countertop is a sponge, and it's just going to soak that water in. It's going to get moldy, and I've seen countertops where they're basically